If you wake up with stiff and aching joints, or if you wonder why climbing stairs isn't easy anymore, well, it could be due to arthritis. Arthritis is a condition that causes pain, stiffness, and swelling in your joints, which can make your everyday movements challenging. It happens due to wear and tear of the smooth tissues in your joints, known as cartilage. When this happens, the bones rub against each other, causing swelling, pain, and stiffness, making it harder to move. This kind of arthritis is called osteoarthritis. Another type of arthritis is rheumatoid arthritis, which is caused by an overactive immune system attacking healthy joints. Today, we'll try to tackle arthritis naturally using 3 proven steps: reducing inflammation, strengthening the muscles around your joints, and restoring the balance in your body. We will also learn about natural and practical treatment along the way. Let's start with step 1 straight away, which is reducing inflammation. Inflammation is your body's way of protecting itself when something is wrong, like an injury or an infection. Your body sends extra blood and immune cells to the area to help it heal. But when inflammation doesn't stop, like in arthritis, it can actually harm your joints, causing pain and swelling. We can reduce inflammation by changing what we eat and by making small but powerful tweaks to our lifestyle. For diet, we have 2 super ingredients: turmeric and ginger. These are powerful natural healers. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers in the body. Ginger is equally powerful as well. Add some green leafy vegetables, some berries, nuts and seeds, and you get a complete anti-inflammatory diet. Omega-3 rich diet is another excellent choice for dealing with this condition. Omega-3 is known to lower inflammation. You can get omega-3 naturally from nuts and seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Apart from this, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are loaded with omega-3s. But diet is only one half of the story. We also need to consider some simple lifestyle changes. Start cutting back on processed foods, sugary snacks, and the trans fats which are found in fast food. Switch to healthier options. Cut down on soda as much as you can and rather try green or herbal teas. They contain antioxidants to fight inflammation. Sometimes it's not possible for us to get all the nutrients from food, especially for vegetarians. This is when you can try some supplements. Omega-3 supplements are easy to find. Also look for curcumin supplements. Just make sure they're paired with black pepper for better absorption. Try turmeric and ginger tea. It's simple, quick, and easy. Just take a cup of hot water, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a small slice of fresh ginger, and a dash of black pepper. Stir it well, sip it daily for your joints. Step 2 is to strengthen surrounding muscles. These muscles can take on more of the load and reduce the strain on your joints. The most effective way would be to try some exercises. You can try swimming. It's one of the best workouts for arthritis because it's low impact. The water itself helps support your weight, making it even easier for your joints. Try quad stretches for your knees. Stand on one leg, bend the other leg backward, and hold your ankle gently to stretch the muscle. This can improve your knee strength and stability too. As for your hands and wrists, try light resistant exercises like squeezing a soft wall or using a resistance band to help rebuild some strength. Start small. Aim for at least 10 to 15 minutes of these exercises daily. Increase the time or intensity once you're comfortable. If you're not sure where to start, a physiotherapist can be your best guide. They can create a personalized plan for your specific needs. Like for lower body arthritis, they might focus on exercises that target your knees and hips. Don't push through pain. If an exercise hurts, stop and talk to a professional. We are aiming to strengthen your muscles and not stress your joints further. We'll talk about restoring balance next, which is step 3 of our guide. This step ties everything together. We'll aim to fine-tune your body's alignment and overall health in this step. When your body is balanced, your joints function better, you feel less pain, and your movements become smoother and easier. We can start with posture. If you spend hours hunched over your desk, or if you like to sit on the couch for hours, it's time to change. Try to sit upright with your feet flat on the floor and with relaxed shoulders to take off unnecessary strain out of your joints. I would suggest you invest in tools which support good posture, like an ergonomic chair, a standing desk, or a lumbar cushion for your back. Yoga and mindfulness can help as well. Certain yoga poses like a child's pose or a cat-cow stretch are fantastic for improving joint flexibility and for releasing tension. Aim for at least 5 to 10 minutes of yoga every day. Stress is another important factor. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol hormone to deal with it. but too much of cortisol can cause more inflammation in the body. Stress can also make your muscles tight, which adds to the pain around your joints. Simple mindfulness techniques like deep breathing or meditation can help you manage stress better. When your mind is calm, your body follows. Sometimes restoring balance can mean giving your joints some support. Like for someone dealing with flat feet, wearing insoles can improve their posture and reduce strain on the knees. Same as a knee brace can add some extra support during physical activities. It can keep your joints stable. Balance can be nutritional as well. Make sure your diet includes enough calcium for strong bones. You can get calcium from green leafy vegetables such as broccoli and cabbage, and other foods like okra, banana, sesame seeds, and pulses. Calcium alone, however, won't help much. You also need vitamin D to absorb that calcium. Sunlight, as we know, is the best and most abundant resource for vitamin D. Exposing your body early morning or before sunset will boost your vitamin D. Fishes like salmon and mackerel and egg yolks can also help. Mushrooms are an excellent source too, if they're exposed to the UV light. Apart from calcium, magnesium also helps in supporting overall muscle and joint health. Add avocados, nuts, legumes, bananas, leafy greens, and whole grains to your diet for a healthy dose of magnesium. If you're still not getting enough of these nutrients through your food, you can consider taking some supplements as well. However, make sure that you check with your doctor first or with a healthcare provider. Well, this was our step 3. With these 3 steps, you now have a clear and practical plan to manage arthritis naturally. While these steps may suffice, I told you we will also be covering some natural treatment. These are simple and effective and can bring even more relief to your joints. While there are conventional treatments and medications like NSAIDs on non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and even some surgeries, these are often short-term fixes. They might provide immediate relief, but they can come with side effects or risks that natural remedies usually avoid. Let's start with the simplest ones: massages and therapeutic oils. A light massage can work wonders for sore joints. It improves blood circulation, eases stiffness, and helps your muscles relax. Massage your joints using CBD oil. CBD oil is a natural remedy made from cannabidiol, which is a chemical compound found in the cannabis plant. CBD oil is gaining popularity for its ability to reduce chronic pain and inflammation. It is easily available, and I'll leave a link in the description. Have you heard of acupuncture? It might sound intimidating, but it is known to reduce arthritis pain by improving energy flow and stimulating your body's natural painkillers. There are some herbal supplements too, like boswellia, given to us by Ayurveda. It is also called Indian frankincense. Boswellia resin has anti-inflammatory properties. It is used to treat a variety of conditions like arthritis, asthma, ulcerative colitis, and various skin ailments. We have already covered a lot, but how do you put it all into action? Let me break it down into simple and practical steps which you can start today. First, don't overwhelm yourself. Don't try to change everything at once. Start with one step from each of these 3 steps we discussed earlier. Like for inflammation, try having turmeric tea or a handful of berries. Then do 10 minutes of light stretching for muscle strength. Improve your posture using a supportive chair for balance. Second, monitor your progress. Everyone is different, so it's important to notice what's working for you and what's not. If swimming feels too intense and stretching feels more comfortable, stick with stretching for now and come back to swimming later. Let your body guide you. Listen to it. Third, if you're still not sure, consult your doctor before making big changes. This tip is particularly for those who are on medication or have a severe condition. Arthritis can't be healed overnight. It's a journey, and remember the 3-step guide as you progress. Share this video with your loved ones who you think might benefit from it. Comment about your experience. Let us know of any questions which you might have. Finally, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more natural health related solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.